Mabuhay. Good morning, AIM Global. Good to be with you, at least on the big screen. Great to see all of your friendly, happy faces. Glad to share in the success of this momentous new breakthrough.
Finally, the long wait is over. After 4 years of making Complete Phyto-Energizing a household brand in the Philippine dietary supplement market, we finally created an upgraded version, a more superior formulation, a dynamic synergy of more antioxidants and clinically studied anti-aging ingredients. After years of research and studies applying proprietary technologies in the manufacturing of this new product, we now present C24/7. It's the nutraceutical that has complete care of your entire body, constant coverage for your cells. It's the gift of nature, that perfect balance, and the power of science coming together in one great regimen, giving daily nutritional support. C24/7 nutraceuticals will be the next generation antioxidant supplementation in the wellness industry.
Morning, AIM Global partners. Sorry we're not there in the Philippines with you. We look forward to having you here to show you some snow. One day, maybe when you come, the snow will be melted. Anyway, I wanted to talk to you about C24/7. This new product is exclusive to Alliance in Motion Global. We strongly feel that with our strong partnership with AIM Global Distributors, we can help more people in improving their health with this new product. C24/7 has a unique formulation, far superior to other natural products in the market. This very same product will also be launched by AIM Global here in the US market very, very soon. C24/7 contains a phytonutrient alkaline complex, which we're calling Alkatech, to help naturalize and improve the pH balance of our cells, tissues, organs, and ultimately our bodies.
C24/7 is one of the very few alkaline supplements in the market that helps to protect our bodies and enhance cellular immunity 24/7. C24/7 has also utilized our proprietary manufacturing processes, allowing the organic fruits, vegetables, and mushrooms to deliver the highest level of antioxidants and phytonutrients.
Congratulations on your 4th year anniversary, AIM Global. You have been consistently the #1 MLM company in the Philippines today. Tomorrow, the #1 MLM company in Asia. And soon, the #1 MLM company in the world. Congratulations on your successful expansion program in Brunei and most recently in Singapore. Together, we will open other countries all through Asia, Europe, and the United States. Congratulations on the Hong Kong trip qualifiers and also to the US trip qualifiers. We welcome you here at Nature's Way as our valued partners.
AIM Global!
Good morning! Maaari po palapang po si Kuya Boy na malakas po. Thank you, Kuya Boy. And ang dami natin. Can you also please give yourself some more applause for being here? Palapin sa sarili po. So, simulan na po natin. Ano po? Ang dami po natin. So, again, I'm Dr. Butch Villena. I am the medical consultant of our company, Alliance in Motion Global. And of course, part po ng job ko is to promote the products of our company po. Ang dami natin. Na-miss niyo ba ako? Miss na miss ko kayo, no? So, game na po tayo. Simulan po natin. Medyo mahina po. Laksan ko lang po ng konti ito. Rene, todo mo yung mic. Game tayo. So, before further continue, guys, can I ask you a very simple favor? Madami po tayo sa kwarto. Ito, ako po yung makikiusap po sa inyo. Handa mo ba tayo? Yes! Pwede ba humingi ng pabor? Yes! Can you please smile? Yeah. So, yung iba sa inyo, kinakabahan talaga ako no? Pagpasok ko dito yung iba sa inyo, gantong-gantong mukha ayo. Guys, may tamang there's a proper way to smile in AIM Global. Titigin niyo po. I'm sure you will love this picture. Ito po yung tamang pagngiti po sa AIM Global. Titigin niyo po ito. Yeah. Ang ganda talaga, no? Wala kayong Diyos, anak ko huyan. Maliwanag po tayo. Tama po, cute po talaga, ano po. Sabi nga po na, Doc, why do you make your presentation lively? Ba't ba talaga kailangan umiti po sa AIM Global? Ba't ba namin kayo pinapatawa? Okay po. Sino pa din umiti? Kanina kayo sorbong aspirin. Yung sa MDO po kanina. po ba ni Sir Bong? Yes! Palakpakan nyo nga po na naman Sir Bong. Okay? Now, ganito po yan no? Kaya po kami nagpapata sa AIM Global. It is proven medically. Napatunayan po talaga ng siyensya na pag kayo daw pinalulukot, every time you feel so low, so down people, and tired, ang una mong gawin, tumingin sa magandang itsura. Naniwala kayo doon? O, ito walang biro po. Pag ako po nalulungkot, kasi katulad last week po, no? 6 days po, dire-diretso po yung talk ko. Different provinces po. On my third day, usually sa pangatlong araw po talaga, medyo homesick po ako. Ang ginagawa ko po talaga para ma-relieve po yung stress ko is to open my laptop. Tapos tingnan po yung picture na ako. Pag yan po yung ganyan, pag ganyang mukha po yung nakikita ko, talagang na-uplift po yung emotions ko. Talagang medyo energetic po ako. Sa nakikita ko ngayon sa inyo, may mga ilan po Kitang-kita ko yung mukha no? Titig na titig ko talaga Yung iba sa inyo, mukhang sinakloban ng sama ng panahon po, no? So, ganito po, para po tayo medyo gumaan po ang pakiramdam. May gagawin po tayong lahat. Ang tanong ko po, handa na ho ba tayong lahat? Yes! Mahina, handa na ho ba tayo? Yes! Seryoso po ito. Okay? Lahat po kayo. Maaari niyo po bang titigan yung mukha ng katabi niyo? Sige po, titignan. Parang masama yata panunog niyo, ha? Alam niyo the advantage of being here in front? Yung advantage po, kitang-kita ko po lahat ng facial expressions. Oh, walang biro po. Magmula kaliwa hanggang kanan ko, kitang-kita ko yung mga mukha Yung iba sa inyo, nung tumingin sa kaliwa at kanan, ang ganda ng ngiti. Gantong gating ngiti, Ang lambing ng ngiti. Pero yung iba, kitang-kita ko, nung tumingin sa kaliwa at kanan, ganito itsura, Mukhang nag-isip sa mga bako dinalan. Okay po, pero guys, ako po yung naniniwala. Talagang lubos na paniniwala ko. Yung katabi mo ngayon na nagpapasaya sa'yo. Tama ba ko doon? Yes. So, maaari mong pakisabi. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Sige ba talaga? Walang hiya ka talaga. Okay, pala nyo nga po muna mga kasama nyo. Okay? Pakilala na po ako ng Dr. Butch Villena. My wife is also a doctor, a pediatrician by profession, Dr. Charina Villena po. So both of us are doctors po and of course specialists. So if my wife is a pediatrician, I'm a definite of the Philippine Academy of Family Physicians. So again guys, ako po yung consultant ng special po yung sa buong Pilipinas. Tama po yun. Sabi lang ganun, Doc, ba't nagkaganon? Okay? Let me ask the members of AIM Global inside this room. Madali ho ba mag-imbita ng doktor when we talk about herbal products? Mahirap po talaga. Baka ma-disappoint kayo, bigyan ko lang kayo ng mga tips kung bakit po ganon. Well, since first year in medicine po, we were taught by our consultants, by our professors, never to promote herbal products that are not scientifically based. Ano? Ibig sabihin po, pinag-uusapan natin ngayon, medically based products? Opo. So kung dati po ako non-believer, paano po ngayon, ako na po yung nagpo-promote ng herbal products ng company? Well, in all honesty guys, all of us underwent the same process. Umattend din po ako ng seminar. Yung speaker po during the time, isa pong nurse. Ang galing po. Ang pangalan niya, Aldrin Madrigal. In all honesty, nung nagsasalita po si Mr. Madrigal, ako po yung nakikinig talaga. 100% yung pakikinig ko. Why? Una kong gustong malaman, hindi ba nasayang ang oras ko? Pangalawang gusto kong malaman, talaga bang maganda yung products po natin? And people, true enough, ito wala pong biro. Right after that seminar, talagang na-in-love po ako sa products ng AIM Global. Ano pong ginawa ko? Within the week, Sunday po yung seminar, nag-member ka agad ako. And guys, exactly 4 months after po, in-observe na ako ng company bilang medical consultant. After which, naging company speaker po, national speaker, author ng libro, at ngayon po, international speaker na po ng Alliance in Motion Global. Ako po, nagsimula po akong umikot last January. Sabi nga po ng mga may-ari, it will be followed by Hong Kong. Singapore po yung nauna. It will be followed by Hong Kong, then Taiwan, Nigeria, Dubai, and of course, USA, Hawaii. Ba't ko po nabanggit yung mga bansang yon? Kasi aside from the Philippines po, yung mga nabanggit ko po mga countries, yun na po yung mga bansa na meron na pong centers ng AIM Global. Okay po tayo na. So we're talking about a global company. So seryoso ko pala sa kumpanyang to. Yes. Siya nga pala for the first timers, yung mga naimbitahan po. Ito lang po ang tip ko sa inyo. Malalaman mo talagang long-lasting ang company po na talagang successful at seryoso po ang kumpanya at legal ang kumpanya kung kumpleto ang gamit. Tama ba tayo doon? Guys, exactly December 2011, after 2 years of research, guys, after 2 years of extensive research, eto na po, inilabas na po natin yung libro po for the members of AIM Global. Palakpakan nga po muna natin malakas. Okay? Now, the title is Complete 24/7 Natural Healers po. Napakaswerte niyo po. Bakit po? Ito pong librong to, yung author po nito, napakabait po. Ang bait po talaga. Oho. Napakatalino po. At napakagwapo, no? Ako pa rin yan. Maliwanag ko tayo, no? So, wala po kayong choice, no? So, again, with my wife, guys, ginawa po namin yung libro para po talaga yung mga members ng AIM Global, hindi lang matapos po seminar, yung learnings po. Kasi naniniwala po kayong mag-asawa po at ang mga may-ari po talaga naniniwala po kung talagang gusto niyong palalimin po yung kaalaman nyo about the products of AIM Global, about the products of our company po, dapat po talaga basahin po natin yung libro natin. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? So, sabi nga po sa inyo, Doc, so we're talking about food supplements? Yes. Sabi naman, Doc, but food supplements, but herbal products, bakit fruits and vegetables? Well, people, those are all saying, guys, that an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. Tama ba tayo? Okay, and when you talk about cure, hindi mo pwedeng tanggalin yung certain diseases. And people, ito po yung nakakatakot na sakit. I'm sure lahat naman po tayo sa kwartong ito, nagkaroon na po ng sakit. Tama po? Yes. Except this one. Titigan niyo po. That is stage 4 breast cancer tumor. Ang laki yun ito. Guys, marami na po ako nakitang cancer tumor. You name it. Different shapes, colors, sizes, organs, and parts of the body po. At when you talk about cancer, people, dyan po ako takot. Why? Because my very own mother po died from cancer of the stomach. June 19, 2010, hindi ko makakalimutan yung date, she was diagnosed advanced with stage 4 cancer of the stomach po. Ang dami nagtatanong, Doc, ba't ganon? Hindi nyo man lang nalaman yung nanay mo may cancer. Samantala, 4 kaming doktor sa pamilya at most of them, specialista po. Guys, in all honesty po, wala kaming ka-idea. Why? Masyado pong vague yung symptoms niya. Yung complaints po niya, hindi niya maituro talaga. Then one early morning po, hindi ko makakalimutan, tinawagan ako ng kapatid ko. She vomited blood, yung mother ko po. All along I was thinking, bleeding peptic ulcer lang sabi ko sa utol ko. But people, much to our surprise, when endoscopy was done, ganito na po kalaki yung tumor inside her stomach. June 19, she was diagnosed. June 28, 9 days after, she died. Ganun kabilis po yung proseso. Sabi na, Dok, bakit katakot? Ito lang po yung dahilan because the genes of cancer are being transmitted from one generation to another. Maniwala po kayo? Okay, para mas maniwala po kayo, may gagawin po tayo. And again, lahat po tayo magpa-participate na po. Ang tanong ko po, handa na ho ba kayo? Yes! Handa na ho ba tayo? Yes! Seryosong usapan po, lahat po kayo. For the second time po, maaari niyo po ba ulit titigan yung mukha ng katabi mo? Sige po, titigan. Bakit to? Baka mamaya ho, may cancer na ho yung mga yan. Kaninang ngiti lang ngayong cancer na, Dok. No? Pero guys, walang biro for 17 years as a doctor. Matagal-tagal na rin po akong doktor. For 17 years, guys. Marami na ako nakitang klase ng cancer po. From the brain, lungs, liver, heart, intestines, blood, skin. Sa babae po, cervix, uterus, ovary. Guys, mamili po kayo. Libre ho yan. Maliwanag po tayo na po. Pero gusto ko ngayon tanungan tayo. Yung ganyang karaming tao po, pag sumasagot po talaga dapat malakas ang impact. Kung tanong ko, handa na ba tayo? Yes! Masarap po ba magkaroon ng cancer? No, siyempre po hindi. Mas masarap po ba wala tayong cancer? Yeah. Ang tanong ko po, handa na ba kayo malaman paniwasan ng cancer? Yes! So people, welcome to our company, Alliance in Motion Global. Palapakan nga po muna na malakas. Okay? Guys, I am inviting you for our 7th year anniversary. Mark your calendar. It will happen on April 26, 27, and 28. Magdokta ka lang po. For the past 6 years, ang AIM Global po, nagsa-celebrate 1 day lang po. Yes. Guys, again, for the first time in the history of multi-level marketing, especially AIM Global po, our company will be having a 3-day celebration for our 7th year anniversary. Ano po? So, maraming pong events ang mangyayari po. Maraming po maganda mangyayari po, especially for the members of AIM Global. Ito lang po masabi ko. May isang araw po doon, yung mga mismong scientists po ng Nature's Way and even DSM will be flying over to Manila. Bakit po? Para po mag-conduct po ng seminars for the members of AIM Global. Samasabi ba yan? Ano po? Ibig sabihin mo, first-hand information po from the makers of the products. Yes. Ganun kaganda po yung mangyayari. And again, on April 28, 2013, guys, imarka nyo na rin po. Bakit po? Yung anniversary pa sa mangyayari po ulit? Sa MOA Arena po ulit mangyayari ang anniversary ng AIM Global. Ano po? So, magandang company, we now have more than 600,000 members. We were able to create more than 650 millionaires. And guys, For the past 4 years, our company AIM Global was able to sell more than 1 billion worth of products each year for the past 3 years. So, ang tanong ko po, maganda ho ba ang product sales ng company natin? Halakpan nyo nga muna na malakas, guys. Now, the people responsible for the success of the company are the board of directors. Yung nasa kaliwa po on your far left is our visionary president, a family-led consultant just like close to Dr. Ed Cabantog. We have 2 vice president po, Mr. Excitement for sales and marketing, a physical therapist by profession, Sir John Aspirin. And guys, the mentor of all mentors, vice president for finance, Engineer Francis Miguel. So look at this. A doctor, physical therapist, and engineer. Tanong ko po, seryoso ho ba ang kumpanya natin? Yes. Okay guys, sabi nga po na, sino pong katayap natin na kapartner po? Nature's Way. Of course, our company is AIM Global with our flagship product, C24/7. Something about our partner po. Sinware, Springville, Utah, USA. 45 years in the market, debt-free, and they're part of New York Stock Exchange. Now, the big question is, Doc, legal ho ba ang AIM Global? Members of AIM Global, help me with this one. Legal ba ang AIM Global? Yes! Definitely. Sa ganyang usapan po, talagang kami po very proud. Why? Una-una po, our products are approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Legal tayo sa Amerika. And its counterpart in the Philippines po, Bureau of Food and Drugs, legal sa Pilipinas. Pangatlo po, DTI registered. It only means of one thing, guys. We are paying our taxes to government. Pang-apat, for our Muslim brothers, halal rating. And for the Jew, kushi rating po. So think, kushir halal DTI B5 US a day. Maganda ho ba at legal na ko pa niyang global? Palapakangaan po muna natin ng malakas. Now, sabi ko lang ba sa akin, Doc, so maganda yung produkto natin, legal po tayo, pero bakit parang wala kang problema? O ba't walang ka-effort? Ba't parang confident ka masyado mag-promote ang products natin? Because of this one, titigan niyo po. Marami po akong kasamang doktor dito. There are more than 200 medical doctors po, herbalists and scientists, who are the ones doing extensive research, clinical studies of scientifically based products that will promote good health. Pero, over-the-counter po tayo. Let me ask you guys, pag sinabing OTC yung products, kailangan pa ba ng prescription ng mga doktor na katulad ko? No. Hindi na po. Pero sabi lang ang may-ari, never will we sell our products to any major or minor pharmaceutical companies. Ang word never. Why? Para tayong mga members lang daw po ang pwedeng benta at mag-distribute ng produkto ng global sa buong mundo. So think, hindi lang Pilipinas ang pinag-uusapan na kung sa buong mundo po, tayo lang po ang pwede magbenta at mag-distribute ng produkto. Tanong ko po, maganda ho bang sistema ng global? Yes. Guys, in a short period of time, marami po silang awards. Nature's Way, ang AIM Global din po, sang katerba na rin po ang awards. But I guess you're still thinking, okay Doc, granted, maganda produkto, marketing plan, Nature's Way, AIM Global. Pero ba't ikaw pang kailangan ma-explain? Tama? Guys, pag-usapan na ba yung medical part po ng company po natin? The main reason why I'm here in front of you, for the first timers po and new members of our company, sulat po tayo ng konting words, okay? Unang-una po, ORAC, followed by free radicals, at ang pinaka-importante pa rin yung tinatawag na antioxidants. Okay, very good. Guys, as the medical consultant of our company po, ang sinasabi ko lagi, if you will become serious in promoting the products of our company po, yung mga words na sinulat ko, dapat by heart, kayang-kaya nyo i-explain. Kahit doktor ang kaharap nyo, dapat hindi kayo mahirapang mag-explain ng mga words na yon. Okay? Tips lang po, para mabilis po tayo makapag-memorya. Paminsan-minsan po, yung mga importante mga words, isigaw po natin na malakas. Okay? Siyempre, mauna muna ako, guide po yon, tapos kayo po. So, ang tanong ko, handa na mo tayong lahat? Yes! Mahina pa, handa na ba tayo? Yes! Malakas po Oxygen, radical, absorbance, capacity people. Let's say it loud. Oxygen, radical, absorbance. Very good. So the study was done in the States. Ano pong ginawa ng mga scientists? For every fruits and vegetables, inalam nila yung level, yung taas ng level ng antioxidants that can be able to prevent the free radicals from harming the body. So for the time being, people, every time we talk about antioxidants, isipin nyo kagad, maganda yan. Pag sinabing free radicals, isipin nyo kagad, in general, pangit po ito. Okay? So harmful po yon. So next topic po natin, syempre po, tao pag-usapan natin, human organism. Siyempre, para po tayo sulit, jump pack po. Sa tansya ko ngayon, mga more than 700 po tayo sa kuhatong ito, no? Para maganda po, titigan nyo. Papakitaan ko kayo ng magandang example ng tao. Ito po, hindi lang maganda, sobrang gwapo ho nito. Titigan nyo po. Ako ho yan, maliwanag ko tayo, no? Parang masama ang loob nyo. Huwag kayo mag-alala, tao po yan. Maliwanag ko tayo na po. Pero ang tao daw po, we have 11 systems. Of the 11 systems, we will only discuss 4 systems. Ngayon gusto ko nang malaman po, before I further continue, sino po sa kwatong ito, yung mga naimbitahan po, yung mga first-timers po sa kumpanya natin? Taas nga po ang kamay. Sige po, huwag pumihiya. Mga first-timers po. So, karamihan, madami. Uy, palakpakan natin yung mga first-timers, okay? So, karamihan dito, mga members, mangilan-ngilan, first-timer. Ang babata ng mga first-timer, oh. Pakiramdam ko, kasing edad ko lang itong mga to, no? Pero for the first-timers po, thank you very much for attending our seminar. I will assure you po, yung time ng pagkakapunta niyo po dito, yung pagkakaupo niyo, isusulit ko po. So, ang tanong ko po, handa na ba tayong matuto? Yes! Mahina, handa na ba tayo? Yes! For the first-timers, look at this one, maganda po ito. May simpleng pakiusap lang po ako sa mga lalaki po sa harapan. Please lang po. Pag tumitingin po sa picture, itaas po ng konting tingin. Maliwan lang ko tayo na po. Kitang-kita ko itong nakaitim eh. Walang biro. Pag tungtong ko dito kanina, tuwan-tuwa ako. Ang warm ng welcome sa akin. Ang dami nakangiti talaga. Ang ganda nang nagtatawanan pa eh. Pati naman si Brad nakatingin din. Pero kitang-kita ko yung mukha eh. No? Nakatitig sa akin. Pero paglabas ng picture, ganito itsura eh. Biro lang. We're talking about the circulation of blood, tama po. And when we talk about the blood, people, number one, it carries what? Nutrients po. Proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Let me ask you people, do we need nutrients inside the body, yes or no? Yes. But without oxygen later on, it will become useless. Sabi nga pala, Doc, so ang responsible po dyan, respiratory system, yes. But the big question is, what will happen if we will combine the two? Well, guys, they will form what? Energy. Ano pang tawag dito? Energy. Patay. Wala kayong energy. Maliwanag ko, no? Yung iba sa inyo, kitang-kita ko pa yung mukha. Ganito yung tsure. Energy. Ito, linawin natin, ha? Yung ganyang mukha po talaga at boses at pag-asawa po, energy. Isa lang po nangyari dyan, namamatay ka agad. Maliwanag ko tayo po. Energy dapat po, energetic malakas. Sa tanong ko, handa na ba tayong lahat? Yes! Nahihirapan, handa na ba tayo? Yes! Anong tawag dito? Energy! Kailangan pantakutin para sumigaw, eh, no? Ang counterpart po, nutrients. So what will happen here? Food will be grounded inside your mouth. They will proceed to your stomach to be liquefied para po tunawin. Finally, they will go inside your intestines. Sa Tagalog po kung tawagin yan, bituka. Sa manginginom, isaw. No? Sa mga Bisaya, tinae. Maliwanag. So ano po lumalabas po dito? Bulgaran talaga dito, eh, no? Ang ganda ng pagkakasabi ni tae. Naangiti naman nila, pero guys, nagkakalimutan. Medical consultant, tama ho. So, dapat ang mga words medical. Okay po. So, share ko po, ang tawag ko talaga dyan, feces. Yeah. Meron pa, waste. Yung nakarang araw po, sa Bicol, may sumigaw. May sigaw, Dok, pupu. Yeah. No? Yun medyo acceptable po yun. Pero may isa pa ho. Pag binabagit yung alam, dapat po malambing po kayo. Ang tawag po dyan, shit. Malamanong ko tayo po. Pero dito po maraming blood vessels. So what will happen? The nutrients will be absorbed here before it circulates your body. But people, every time we talk about good health, eto na po ang pinakamaganda pag-usapan po. Sabay-sabay tayo, Ang tawag po is immune. Very good. Or the lymphatic system. The organs present are the so-called lymph nodes. Sa Tagalog, kung tumagal niyan, kulani. Kulani po. Again, sino po yung mga first-timers pa po dito? Bukod po kina Brad. May mga first-timers po ba? Ay, si nanay. O, tita, tanungan po tayo. Okay po? Parang kinabahan yata kayo, Seryoso po, tita. Pag sinabing kulani, maganda o pangit? Ako, seryoso, pangit. Kidding aside, may punto po si tita. Bakit po? Since childhood people, tayo pina-orient ang ating mga parents. Pag nag-uusapan po ang kulani, ang sinasabi kaagad, pangit. Tama po. Pero remember, pinag-uusapan po natin yun, yung medical part ng kulani. Talaga bang maganda o pangit? Para maganda po, titigin niyo po ito. Guys, ito po ang ating kulani. Yan po ang kulani. Tita, huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi ganyan kalaki ang kulani mo. Maliwanag. Pag ganyan kalaki na po ang kulani niyo, mukha na ko yung kulani. Maliwanag. Pero guys, in all honesty, tita, para po magandang usapan, ano ba ang laman ng kulani? Susulit ko po, isigaw natin. Ang pangalan po nito is white blood cells. Clear? People again, let's say it loud. White blood. What will happen here? Once the microorganisms goes inside your lymph nodes, the white blood cells inside will kill the microorganisms. Para masimple, pagpasok po ng mikrobyo sa loob ng kulani, yung mga white blood cells po, pinapatay yung mga mikrobyo. Pinatay ang mikrobyo, no? Uulitin ko ang tanong, maliwanag ko tayo. Tita, patay na po ang mikrobyo, okay po. So pag sinabing kulani, maganda o pangit? Maganda na pala. Maganda pala. Tita, walang biro. Sa Legazpi po sa Bicol, after ko mag-seminar, noong nakaraan na pong Thursday, may lumapit sa akin, tuwang-tuwa. Tuwang-tuwa. Yung sinabi, Dok, ang ganda pala ng kulani, Dok, ano? Pero tanong niya, Dok, what if ang nakapakong kulani, kasing laki ng tenga ko? Guys, pag ganun kalaki na po ang kulani nyo, may sakit na po kayo. Nalawanig po tayo. Okay. For you to be able to experience, sabay-sabay po tayo. Make use of your index finger and middle finger po. Can you please feel the back of your jaw? Kapay niyo po. Ipalpate niyo po. Kapakapay niyo po. I do hope wala kayo na pang kulani. Pero pag may nakapakang kulani na ang size more than 3 millimeters, more than 0.3 centimeter, it only means of one thing, that you may be suffering from a disease. Maliwanag po. So, maganda po ang mga organs natin. Yes. Magandang tissues, definitely. Pero ang pinakamaganda pag-usapan po, sabay-sabay na, guys. Ano pong tawag dito? Mahina pa rin. Another, guys. The smallest functional unit of the body, the human cells po. Guys, approximately, from head to toe, we have approximately 70 to 100 trillion cells in our body. Ganyan karami po. Ano ito? So, ang dami po nito at lahat po sila, kailangan po ng energy para po mabuhay. Okay? Now, the cell is somewhat circular in shape. Para maganda po, let's try to draw it down, guys. Ito po yung cell natin with the cell membrane. Sa gitna po ito, may tinatawag po tayong nucleus that will house your deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA. What is the function? Number 1, it carries your genetic trait. Pangalawa po, it also carries the code for the so-called protein production or protein synthesis. People, for your information po, do you know that our very own body can produce our own proteins? Ano to? So, gumagawa tayo ng protina? Yes. And guys, still, the most abundant protein part of the body will be the muscle for movements po. Sulat po natin. Muscles for movements. Number 2, a part of your blood, kung tawagin po, hemoglobin. That carries what? Oxygen. Pangatlo, enzymes for metabolism. And people still, pinakamaganda pa rin po ang function, yung tinatawag na immunoglobulins. Or also called as what? This time, people, isigaw na po natin na malakas. Guys, ano po ang tawag dito? Antibodies. Mahina pa rin. Other people, what is the function? They will help try to kill microorganisms inside the body. Help try to kill. Ano, doktor ka lang po. Ibig sabihin mo, if the function of the cell is good, if the function of our body is good, then we will not suffer from diseases? Yes. Supposedly. Bakit po supposedly? Pag-usapan na po natin ngayon yung mga problema po. People, para maganda, sabay-sabay pa rin po tayo, guys. What do you call this one? Free radical. Guys, it's quite alarming. Bakit po? Napatunayan na po ng siyensya. When you talk about the free radicals, gaano karami po sila? We have approximately 50 billion free radicals. Ganyan karami po in our environment. Inside our body and inside our cells. Ano pong ginagawa? Once they go inside, they will disrupt the function of your DNA. Pag nasira po yan, your protein production will go down. And guys, remember this, that the protein organs of our body will also what? Go down. Including the level of antibodies. So think, if that is the case, people, ang tanong ko po, okay, pwede na ba tayo magkaroon ng sakit? Yes. Now think, people, if that is your cell, if these are the free radicals outside, what will they do? Okay, they will try to go inside by trying to damage the cell membrane. Binubutas po yan. And guys, isa lang po ang end product, sisimplahan ko na po. Patay po ang cell natin. People think that sometimes that very small particle called as free radicals are the ones responsible in causing the most complicated disease, termed as what? Stage 4 cancer. At inuulit-ulit ko po, pag inabot po kayo ng stage 4 cancer, sometimes it's too late. Most of the time, it's too late. Irreversible na po. Tama? Napaka-slim po lang chance na mabuhay kayo pag inabot kayo ng stage 4 cancer. Ano? Nakakatakot pala yung free radicals. Ano ba talaga mga sources po? These are but some of the sources of free radicals. Number 1 po, do not expose yourself too much to sunlight. At around 11 o'clock to 3 p.m. Why? Hindi na po vitamins na nakuha kundi UV light. That can possibly cause cancer of the skin. Pangalawa po, X-ray radiation. Third is inflammation. Fourth, guys, still, the number 1 problem in Metro Manila is air pollution. Umamin na nga amin. Sino po sa kwartong ito ang mga naninigarilyo po? Mga smokers. Can I see those hands, guys? Taas nga po ang kamay. Mga naninigarilyo po. Si Brad sa likod, si tatay, si madam, ikaw. Tinuro pa isa, pati ikaw, hoy, no? Nagturo pa eh, no? Oh, Brad, ikaw naman yung malakas ang loob na nagtaas ng kamay. Matanong lang kita, ilang average sticks per day? Average lang, average. 3 lang. So, agahan, tanghalian, hapunan, no? Eksakto eh, no? Every after meal. Sino dito nakakaisang kaha po? 1 pack per day. Amin po, mga nakakaisang kaha po. Wala? Ay, si Sir. Ayan. Sir, kayo muna outstanding member. Maliwanag tayo na po. Ang dami yun nun. Okay, Brad, sa mga nagtaas po umamin, people, makinig po. I'll try to make my story a little bit exaggerated. Think first that one free radical will kill one cell. Let me repeat. It is somewhat exaggerated, but for the time being, think, Brad, that one free radical will kill one cell. This time, I'll go straight to the point. Sabi po ng siyensya, according to studies, guys, per stick of cigarette, it contains how much free radicals? Okay. 3 sticks, 1 kaha. Since umamin kayo, lakas kayo sa akin eh. Eto, Brad, matutuwa kayo. Konti lang to, Brad. Konti lang to. 1 lang. Okay, sabi niya, buti na lang. Isa lang, Brad. Isa lang. Nag-iisa lang. So, 3 million ka, Brad, 20 million ka per day. Maliwanag po. Times 365 days, we're talking about what? Billions. And we're just dealing with cigarette smoke. Ang dami po nun. Pero ibabalik yung tanong, ha? Ilan po yung free radicals natin? 50 billion. Sabi na to, ang dami. Ngayon, tanongin ko lang ho kayo. Gusto ko ngayon ng malakas na pang-response. Simple tanong lang po, guys. Kaya ba natin iwasan ng free radicals? Yes or no? No. Maliwanag ko tayo. Nagbibiro kaya ito. Pag-usapang free radicals po, wala na pong biruan. Papatunayan ko sa inyong lahat na hindi po natin kayang umiwas. Pero people this time, lahat po talaga kailangan ko mag-participate. Ang tanong ko, handa na ba kayong malaman to? Yes! Handa na ba tayong lahat? Yes! Seryosong usapan po, lahat po kayo. Maaari niyo po bang amuyin yung kilikili po ng katabi niyo? Sige po, pag may putok ko yung free radicals yan, maliwalang po. Pero kidding aside, ito walang biro. Sabi po ng mga medical technologists, pag kayo po ay may underarm odor, marami kayong bakterya sa kilikili nyo. Maliwalang po. At yung amoy na lumalabas po doon, free radicals po yun. In all honesty, we can inhale, we can drink, and we can eat the free radicals. Guys, every second of our lives we're exposed. And people, we can also produce our own free radicals inside our body. And if that is the case, wala palang pwedeng umiwas. Ang tanongin dyan, can we take something that can protect our body against free radicals? Yes or no? Yes. Sabay-sabay na po, guys. Ano po ang tawag dito? Antioxidants. Guys, we're talking about what? Plant-based nutrients. Defense and, of course, scavengers. So what will they do to our body, guys? If these are the free radicals, the antioxidants will prevent the free radicals from harming our DNA, thus again preventing diseases from happening inside the body. So we need high levels of antioxidants? Yes. So we need to eat fruits and vegetables? Yes. How much is given to us as a requirement by the World Health Organization? That we must be able to eat, people, 5 fruits and 5 vegetables per day. Paliwanag po. 5 per day. Yung iba mo nag-iisip, ang ganda lang itinibid, Dok. Konti yan, lilima, Dok. Dok, kanina kumain ako, 7 lang sone, sobra 2. Maliwanag ko. Tama na po. Maliit po yun. Sa labasa ko po ang kailangan mo, medium size. Kasi laki lang kamay nyo. And a good example will still be what? Apple. Maliwanag. Anong kasabihan natin? An apple a doctor? Away. So isipin nyo kung 5 mansanas, 5 doktor ang mawawala. Maliwanag ko tayo. Parang pangit ho yata yung nasabi ko, ano po? Ay, yung gulay. Iba na yung Dok. Yung gulay, wala sablay, Dok. Kanina kumain ako, Dok, chop suey. Lagpasan po ang laman. Maliwanag ko. Well, people, ang usapan kasing laki po ng repolyo. Dok, 5. Tama-tama mamaya po. Lahat po kayo, pati po yung mga nakaupo dito sa hig, no? Mga nakatayo doon. Pag uwi niyo pong lahat mamaya, subukan niyo pong kumain, tigli 5 mansanas po at 5 repolyo. Maliwanag ko. Bukas ho, sa bugamban niyo. Maliwanag ko. Uy, sandali. If you happen to be a vegetarian, kayang-kaya mong kainin yan. Tama? Pero kung hindi ka vegetarian, that most Filipinos are, mahirap pong kainin yon. Now, this time, people, I need you to be honest. Remember, honesty is the best. Ako po may kiusap. Pag pinatas ko po ang kanang kamay, please lang po, huwag niyo munang ibababa hanggat hindi ko po sinasabi. Malaman po. Seryoso po ito. Okay po, ha? Ganyan po. Babae, lalaki po sa kwartong ito. Ang age na ngayon, 30 years old and above. Pakitaas nga po ang kamay. Sige po. Sige po. Yung iba nag-iisip, 30 na ba ako? Ito po. Ay, ang baby! Maganda po yan. Bakit po? Nangangarib na buhay niyo, no? Beautiful. Kasama ako doon, guys. No? In all honesty po, sabi ko talaga ng siyensya, pag tungtong natin ng age 30 years old, kasama po ako doon, ha? The production of antioxidants inside our body said to be what? It's fast going down. That is according to studies, people. Now, isipin niyo po, let's try to analyze everything, people. Number 1 po, kalahati sa kwartong ito, 30 and above, tama? Pangalawa, it's quite hard to eat 5 to 5 vegetables per day. And third, people, we are all living in a world that's full of free radicals. Now, if that is the case, look at your normal, healthy red blood cells. As the free radicals people goes inside, they will die. Now, pag-usapan po mga cancer, titigan nyo. Naku, Brad, titigan nyo. Ang ganda po ng kulay ng lungs natin, tama? Sir, titigan mo na yung baga mo. May libro ito tumor, maliwanag lang. Pero para fair sa mga nagtaas ng kamay, lung cancer right now is said to be the leading cancer in the world for both male and female because of what? Smoking. If you're fond of drinking alcohol, liver cancer ka. Kung mahilig ka sa prito at ihaw, tapos sunog-sunog po, itong para sa'yo, that's cancer of the stomach. Hindi ko makakalimutan po sa kwartong ito, nasigawan ako, sinabi sa akin, Doc, para maganda po, hindi ko nalulutuin yung karne. Maliwanag ko tayo. Pag hindi mo niluto, ayan, cancer ho ng bituka, maliwanag. Pero sa lahat po ng klase ng cancer, ito po ang magandang pag-usapan. Iyan. Medyo malapit to, ano po, no? Hindi, para maganda po lahat po tayo. Mag-concentrate po. Seryosong usapan po. Tahimik po muna lahat. Lahat po tayo, titigan niyo po ang breast. Titigan niyo po. Simple lang po ang tanong ko. Maganda ho bang tingnan ng breast? Yung mga lalaki, oh yes, no? Pero pag ganito po ang breast mo, sa'yo na ang breast mo, maliwanag mo tayo. Seryoso yung iba. Yung mga lalaki, iba rin hindi humingit eh. Mukhang nag-iisip yung mga lalaki, Doc. Sabi ko na, favoritism ka talaga, Doc. Ito. Okay, ito matagal-tagal ko hindi ginagawa. Pero para po sa inyo, uulitin ko to. Napatunay na sa ating mga lalaki po. Pag nakakapado ho tayo ng buko sa breast, most of the time, cancer of the breast ka agad. Maliwanag? Dok, ibig sabihin mo, babae lalaki, pwede magkaroon ng cancer of the breast? Yes. Babae lalaki, Dok, dapat nag-exam ng breast? Yes. Monthly? Opo. Yung iba dinudok-dok, hindi ho ganyan. Okay? Para maganda po, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano po tamang mag-exam ng breast. Okay? Kailangan ko po ituturo. Ngayon ko na po ituturo. Lahat po tayo mag-i-examine po ng breast. Okay? Babae lalaki, bata matanda, payat mataba, mag-i-examine po. So, tanong ko, handa na ba tayong lahat? Yes! Parang ayaw niyo yata. Handa na ba tayo? Yes! Huwag po kayo mag-alala. Kanya-kanyang breast lang. Maliwanag ko tayo. Kasi kita ko yung ibang lalaki. So, yun. Dito po. Ito na po, seryoso na po. Lahat tayo, can you please sit straight? Sit straight. Okay po. Upo tayo ng diretso yan. Game na po. Kaya, tips lang po. Mas maganda po talaga kung nakatayo or nakahiga. Alam nga naman maghigaan tayo, hindi ho pwede, no? So, upo na lang po tayo. Ngayon, next po, para magandang usapan, pag-uwi niyo po ng bahay, humarap ka sa salamin. Why? Para makita mo talaga yung shape ng katawan mo. Inuunahan ko na po kayong lahat. Wala pong breast na pantay. Wala. Sigurado kong wala. Walang parts ng katawan na pantay. Wala ho talaga. Maliwanag ko tayo po. Kasi baka yung pag-uwi niyo, ay hindi niya pantay. Wala ho, Next po, next. Palakpakan niyo po si Madam habang tayo po nag-uusap ng breast. Okay, ngayon, ito na po. What else? May maganda po akong ginagawa, dapat po tinatanggal ang damit. Huwag ho ngayon pag-uwi na ho. Maliwanag ho. At pag-uwi niyo po, please lang po, maligo muna kayo para smooth na po ang skin ng breast. This time, pag-examine na po tayo ng breast. Pag-examine na po tayo ng breast. Ladies, huwag po kayo mag-alala. Kahit po mukhang wala, meron po yan. Maliwanag ho. Kahit po mukhang piyaya, meron ho yan. Maliwanag po. Yung iba, tumingin, no? Piyaya nga. Biro lang po. Ngayon na po, mag-examine na po talaga tayo. O guys, para maganda, magtatanggal din ako ng jacket. Lahat tayo po ng diretso muna. Dahil pahawak na po. Para mag-examine tayo ng breast, no? Para mas maganda pag-examine ng breast. Okay? Brad, lagay mo nga yun. Yan. Game. Okay. Sit straight. Game tayo. Lahat po tayo. Pakitaas nga po ang kanang kamay. Ang hindi magtaas ng kanang kamay, walang boobs. Maliwanag ano po, no? Hindi ba, humabol. Diretso po. Ngayon, i-bend po ng diretso yan. Yan. Bakit po? Para po yung breast, mahatak papataas. Kung may mahatak, maliwanag ho. Hindi, mayroon niya, sigurado po ako. Ngayon, ito na po, ito ang critical time ha, guys. Ito na po. Itong dalawang daliri po, kapain po ang nipple. Kapain ng nipple, okay? Sa labas lang muna, wag sa loob, ha? Kita ko iba, nag-e-effort talaga, oh. Labas lang, okay po, ha? Okay, ito na po. From the nipple, hawak na ba ng nipple, ha? Kakapain na ngayon ng breast, papalabas. From the nipple, going outside, in circular motion. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Okay? Mati iba sa inyo, pumipikit pa, ha? Kita ko talaga iba, picture, oh. Oh, hindi pa tapos, ibalik. Hanggang kilikili pa kapay, hanggang kilikili. Yan. Okay, ladies, kung nahihirapan po kayo, itong mga lalaki, willing tumulong. Ibaba niyo po. Guys, hopefully, parang yung sabihin ko, hopefully wala kayong nakapambukol. Pero pag may nakata kayong bukol po ngayon, matigas po. Bukol sa breast, matigas. Hindi gumagalaw. Lumulubog yung balat ng breast at may discharge from the nipple, especially bloody discharge. Think of cancer of the breast. Kala niyo po, nagbibiro po ako, pinapasaya ko lang kayo, pero that's the proper way to examine your breast. Now think, cancer ang pinag-uusapan natin, part pala ng mga sakit yan. Ngayon, ibabalik ko na po ang tanong, masarap po ba magkaroon ng cancer? No. Mas masarap po ba wala tayong cancer? Yes. So, ang tanong ko po, handa na ba kayo malaman yung produkto panawasan ng cancer? Yes. Isigaw na malakas guys. Ano po ang pangalan ng produkto natin? C24/7 Natural Cuticles. At the cellular levels are the functions and the contents of the product. Ang tanong ko po, with all of this, baka diba ang produktong C24/7 ng ngayong global? Yes. Palapakan nga po muna natin ng malakas guys. Now, balabalik ko na. Unang-una, ito po yung mga unique selling proposition ng company po natin. Gaano kagandang produkto? Ang dami ho nito. Maghanap kayo ng produktong mas mataas na I do believe guys may hirapan kayo maghanap. We have 22,000 phytonutrients. Second po, the vitamins we've been taking since infancy po, from A, B, C, D, E, K, B1 to B12, A to zinc, is just part of our product. Pangatlo po, we have 12 whole fruit juice blends. Guys, ang dami po maganda po dito, mga berry po. Proven, guys, to lower down our blood cholesterol. So if you have 12 fruits people, the counterpart will also be 12 vegetables this time, guys. Ang dami po mga ganda, paborito ko po talaga, ito pong nasa huli. Garlic. Po. Sa Tagalog po kung tawagin po natin yan, bawang. Tama. But maganda, panlaban sa aswang. Maliwanag ho tayo. Pero kidding aside, when I was in my 5th year as a medical intern people, yan po yung research namin magkakaklase. Napatunayan po namin, ang garlic daw po talaga, anti-hypertensive, anti-fungal. Sa mga gawin yung cream, maganda po yan. Antibacteria, antiviral, antioxidant, anti-cancer, and anti-hypertensive. So isipin niyo po, with all of these guys, maganda lang produkto natin? Yes. People sabi nga po na, Doc, ilan po yung requirements po natin everyday? 5. How much is in our product? 12. So po, lagpas ba tayo sa requirements? Dagdag mo na to, 18 amino acids. This time people, yung function po, isigaw natin. Building blocks of proteins. People again say it loud, building blocks of proteins. Guys, focus po tayo daw. We're talking about proteins. Tama po. Kanina explain natin, because of the free radicals, those protein organs of our body, their functions will go down. Yes. So, Doc, if you will take our product that will try to build the proteins, do you mean to say, yung function po ng mga organs po natin, mag-i-improve po ulit? Yes. Including the level of antibodies? Definitely. So people, if that's the case, maganda bang produktong C24/7 ng global? Yes. Palapakan nga po muna natin ng malakas guys. Now what else? We have 14 super green foods and spirulina blend. Ang gaganda po ng lahat ng yan. But if you're going to look at the people, lahat po sila ang kulay green. Sabi nga daw po, the one that usually gives the green coloring pigment to the plants are the so-called chlorophyll. And chlorophyll are said to be proven to contain high levels of antioxidants. And again, people, we have 14. Plus this one. Ito na po, paborito ko na to, 12 mushrooms. Ba't maganda po? Kasi pangalan pa lang yan, guys. Sulit na po ang function. Gano'ng aganda po? Explain ko sa inyo, guys, babagat ko na po. Cordyceps reishi, shiitake, hiritake, metake, mashitake. Pag ganun ito, hindi ka natakihin. Maliwanag na tayo. So, we have 12 mushrooms, guys. Each containing high levels of antioxidants and anti-cancer properties. Ang tanong ko po, mas kumpleto ba ang laman ng produkto natin? Yes. Palapakan nga po natin yan, guys. Now, what else? If you happen to know someone who is suffering from indigestion, yung hindi matunawan, and constipation, nahihirapan magpupo, pakibigay po. We have 12 digestive enzymes, 12 herbs, and of course, 10 essential fatty acid or the omega fatty acid. Ang tanong, Doc, bakit sikat ngayon ang omega fatty acid? People like to try to mention their functions, guys. Number 1 po ulit. Good for our cardiovascular system. Why? It has a blood thinning effect. Meaning to say that we can be able to prevent the so-called blood clots from happening in our circulation po. Pangalawa, they're also good for your intestines. Anti-inflammatory. Hormone regulation. They can strengthen your immune response. And finally, people, they have lignans. They have lignans with anti-cancer properties po. Okay? So, ang tanong ko po, with this, maganda ba ang produkto natin? Yes, sabi nga pala, Doc, magandang products natin, dapat po, okay? Pero may explain pa ako sa inyo. This one I need to explain to each and everyone. Ako po yung may kiusap, tita. Huwag niyo pong haharangan yung daan. Yan po. Opo. Para po may makakadaan po. Yan. Okay po, ah? So, palataan niyo po muna si tita. Nagbigay po siya ng daan, pero ganun kaliit po yung binigay niyang daan. Ano po, no? Bira na po. Eto lahat po ito, maganda po talaga. Pero lahat ng yan po, yan yung laman ng former flagship product ng AIM Global, which we term as complete Phyto Energizer. In all honesty, 4 years ago po, ang in-explain po sa amin ni Mr. Madrigal, yung pong produktong complete pa lang. And with that product, guys, inulit ko po, kami mag-asawa po, nag-member kagad. Why? Because we fell in love with the product. Sa sobrang kagandahan nga lang po niyan, guys, yung mga may-ari po talaga, ibang klase po talaga mag-isip. Iba talaga yung pagmamahal sa atin. Why? Kasi magandang produktong complete po, ginawa pang C24/7. Mas pinaganda pa. How? By adding 9 additional components. First is cysteine hydrochloride. What is the function? They will stimulate our liver to produce more glutathione. Ladies, every time we talk about glutathione, what usually enters our mind? Whitening, pampaputi, pampabata, pampaganda. Tama? Pangalawa po, mga quercetin. What are the functions? Antioxidants, anti-allergy, anti-inflammatory, good for the heart, and anti-cancer. Third and fourth, if you want, guys, yung may tatawag na longevity formula, meron po tayong mga polyphenols. And finally, people, we have that so-called coenzyme Q10. Ano pong function? First, our cells will be energized. It will promote good circulation of our blood. Pangatlo po, they can strengthen again the immune response. Tissue oxygenation, of course, with an anti-aging effect. So think, with the 5 additional components, people, lalo bang gumanda ang produktong C24/7 ng AIM Global? Panapakan nga natin ang malakas mga guys. Now, sagarin na natin, for the first timers, guys, gano'ng kaganda ang produkto. Another product of AIM Global, termed as longevity polyphenols, or called as Restore Life. From the word Restore Your Life, sa Tagalog po, buhay ng buhay, was added to our product C24/7. Ito, ibig sabihin mo, Restore Life Complete plus 5 other anti-aging are now part of C24/7? Yes. So, ang tanong ko po, kompleto na ba ang laman ng produkto C24/7 ng AIM Global? Yes. Palapakan natin ang malas po dyan, guys. Now, ang tanong do, sobrang ganda ng produkto, pero ang tanong lagi sa akin, no? We have 22,000 phytonutrients, tama? With 140 components in one capsule. In one capsule. Yung iba hindi makapanawa, Dok, paano nagkasya? Okay, i-compare po natin para mas maganda. Kayo ho ba'y nakasubok ng uminom ng vitamin C, ascorbic acid? Have you tried? Yung isang caplet po nun, kasing laki po ng capsule ng C24/7. Pero ang laman po nun, isang component lang, vitamin C. Tama? Eh ito, 140 components, 22,000 phytonutrients, paano nagkasya po? People, let's talk about technologies. Ang ganda po nito. Ang una po is nanotechnology. Again, people, say it loud. Nanotechnology means minute. What is minute? Microscopic. Smaller than a virus. Talagang hindi mo makikita sa mata. By the naked eye, dapat may microscope ka. Fernando, gaano kabilis tumalab yan sa sobrang kaliitan? If you will take our product C24/7, people, ito mangyayari in 20 minutes time. In 20 minutes time. Okay, guys? Na-absorb na po na katawan natin. And in 20 minutes time, the components of our product will go inside our cell. And they will be the one to prevent the free radicals from harming your DNA. Ganun kabilis po. Pangalawa, ginawang synergism. What does it mean? Guys, as we combine the components of our product, they will try to improve the function. They will try to improve the function of each of the components of our product C24/7. And third, it is made to be alkaline-based. The big question is, Doc, What is the significance of being alkaline? Tama? Let me ask you people. Again, if I will take the product, it will go inside my stomach. And what is inside your stomach? Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, alkaline. Ano mangyayari? If you will take a ganun product, once it goes inside your stomach, they will try to neutralize the acid. Simpleng lengguwahe po, haharangan po nila yung asido para hindi po masira yung components po ng produkto natin. So think, from the stomach, they will proceed to your intestines. They will be absorbed by your circulation. And again, in 20 minutes time because of nanotech, napakinabangan na po ng katawan natin yung produktong C24/7. So think, nanotech, Sinotech, and Phyto-Alcatech, magandang bang pag-aagawa ng produktong C24/7 ng ngayong global? Palakpakan natin ng malakas na po yan, guys. Okay? Walang sayang. It's made up of fruits and vegetables. Balat pa lang po nito, vegetarian capsule na. And people, ang kagandahan po, wala po tayong excipients. Sabi nga daw po, what you see is definitely what you get. So, tanong ko with these guys, maganda ba ang career product ng ngayong global? Palapakan natin ang career product natin, guys. Now, in all honesty, the main reason why we're expanding globally, the main reason we have more than 600,000 members worldwide, is because of that product. Guys, sa Nigeria po, itong produktong to, talagang grabe po ang response ng mga Nigerian. Antitindi po talaga. Okay? Ang bilis po doon ng membership. Why? Bumili po sila sa produkto natin. Now, sabi nga po ni Doc, so maganda yung produkto, pero ang balita, pang-adults daw ang C24/7? Yes. Pang-adults po talaga. When you talk about adult age people, sa amin po sa medisina, nagsisimula po yan sa edad 12. 12 years old and above. Maliwanag po. Alam nito kayo paano yung mga kids? Guys, huwag kayo mag-alala. Sobrang pagmamahal po sa atin ng AIM Global, ng mga may-ari po. Gumawa po tayo ng produkto po para ngayon sa mga anak po natin. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Sa tanong ko, handa na ba kayo malaman ang bagong produkto ng AIM Global? Yes. Gusto ko sabay-sabay sigaw po, people. Anong pangalan po ng produkto?
Noong 2006, nagkaroon ako ng prostate cancer na. Ngayon, nung paulit-ulit na dinalagyan ako ng catheter na hindi ako makaihi. Inopera ako doon sa FEO noong May 22, 2009. Pabalik-balik ako sa ospital na for check-up tuwing 2 check-up ng 1 linggo. Wala rin akong walang pagbabago, lalong sumasakit. Maraming klase, mahapdi, makirot, masakit pag lumabas yung ihi ko, pag huminto yung ihi ko, masakit, makirot, ganun ho. Halos hindi ako makatulog magdamag, nagtitiis lang ako. Lagi akong nakahiga, maski na nung pumunta sila nung dito, hindi ako makatagal ng mga 10 minutes na nakaupo ng ganito. Saka yung pagpunta ko sa LPO, pag pumunta ako, gagastos ako ng 5,000 tinpunta ko. Dalawang beses ako pumunta sa loob sa linggo. Kaya ngayon, naghihirap na ako, wala na akong pambili ng gamot ko. Marami akong pinagdanan. ECG, ultrasound, urine culture, PSA. Nung kinukulit ako yung pamangkin ko na mag-take daw ako ng gamot na ito, hindi ko pinapansin. Pero nung talagang mahirapan na ako, sinubukan ko na pumayag ako. Ngayon, binigyan ako ng isang box. Katapos, nung naubos ko yung isang box, medyo gumaang yung pakiramdam ko. Kaya inulit ko na naman, nagpabili naman ako ng isa. Ito, C247, ito ang nagpagaang sa katawan ko, yung sakit ng nararamdaman ko na hapdi, kirot. Dahil po dito ay nakakalakad na ako, nakakapunta na ako yan, nagkapapasya-pasyal ako dito sa lubang bahay ko. Walang paldos siguro ito kasi naranasan ko na ito. Kaya may papayo ko, yung may sakit, subukan nila. Wala mawawala.
Nagsimula ang sakit ko noong January 2009. Isang gabi, biglang sumakit ang aking tiyan. Napakasakit. Hindi ako makagalaw, hindi ako lakad, hindi ako makakain, hindi ako makainom. So hirap talaga ako, napakasakit, parang kinurot yung bituka ko. So kinabukasan, nag-decide ako na magpa-check up agad sa doktor. So pagdating ko sa doktor, sabi niya sa akin, kailangan ko raw na mag-ultrasound. So binigyan niya lang ako ng pain reliever. Kaso lalong sumakit, lalong sumakit yung tiyan ko. So kinabukasan, nagpa-ultrasound ako kaagad. So ang resulta lumabas na meron pala akong 1.6 cm na kidney stone. So, pagkatapos noon, binigay ko ang resulta sa doktor. Binalik ko ang resulta. So, sabi ng doktor, kailangan ko daw na magpa-opera. Kaso walang laser dito sa Tagbilaran. So kailangan pumunta sa Cebu. Wala ko sa kondisyon, so napakahirap, napakasakit talaga. So naalala ko yung kapatid ko na meron siyang ini-endorse na produkto. So tinawagan ko siya. Pagkatapos noon, dumating siya, nagkita kami. So binigay niya sa akin yung C24/7. So sabi niya sa akin, subukan mo lang yan. Dahil makakatulong yan sa'yo. So sabi niya sa akin, inumin ko raw 6 capsules per day. Ininom ko lang yun. Kinabukasan, naramdaman ko na medyo guminawa yung pakiramdam ko. So, makakain ako, makagalaw na ako. So, pinagpatuloy ko lang yung pag-inom. Hanggang sa dumating ang 5 araw, so after 5 days, napansin ko na wala na talaga akong nararamdaman. So, nag-decide ako na magpa-ultrasound ulit. So, pagkalabas ng resulta, nagulat na ako, na-shock na ako na nawala na pala yung kidney stone. So, sabi sa akin ng doktor, anong ginawa mo? No, sinabi ko sa niya na, C24/7 lang to. Pagkatapos, umuwi na ako sa amin, napakasaya ko, na-save ko yung pera ko para opera. So, hindi na ako na-operahan. Tapos, bumuti yung kondisyon ko. Napakalakas ko, bumalik yung lakas ko, napakasigla ko. So nawala lahat. So laking pasalamat ko unang-una sa AIM Global, dahil kung walang AIM Global, walang C24/7. At sa aking kapatid rin, dahil kung wala siya, hindi ako gagaling, hindi ko masubukan yung produkto.
The first time I heard of your product is when his friend introduced it to us. Kinuwento na sa amin yung naging effects sa kanya ng product niya. He is diabetic and he was hospitalized because he is partially blind already. May gangrene yung lower extremities niya. And na 50-50 siya sa hospital. And then, he took complete 8 capsules a day, yung initial. Yun ang prescribe sa kanya. Ako yung doctor doon daw yung sa kanya yung nag-prescribe sa kanya. It was also a doctor. So, pinescribe siya ng 8 capsules a day. Tapos, after 3 days, nag-dry up daw yung niya, yung kanyang gangrene. So, hindi na amputate yung kanyang leg. And then, we tried the product first. Bumili siya ng leave-in, yung coffee nyo, and then yung complete. So, kasi nung may problem ako sa cyst, I have breast cyst, and then may solid nodule, multiple, and then one of those was a solid nodule na kailangan nang i-operate. Kaya ayoko magpo-opera. So, I tried it. Kasi I saw it dun sa friend niya na ganun yung drastic yung recovery talaga niya. So, I tried it for yung 1 box lang muna. 1 box is 30 capsules lang. I tried it. Yung 1 box lang na yung inubos ko, nagpa-ultrasound ulit ako. It turned out na negative na. Hindi na makita nung doctor sa ultrasound yung nodules. Kaya noon, after that, tinuloy ko yung pag-drink ng complete.
It was a vehicular accident that happened October 3 in the Anghare, Alabang, Cavite area. I was driving all alone there was this I had that accident, and the next thing I knew, wala na akong malay noon. I ended up here at San Juan de Dios Hospital at the intensive care unit. I didn't know what was happening. It was really painful. And then yun nga, nawalan ako ng malay. But in a way, I was in comatose.
He was in the ICU for 9 days. So, wala talaga siyang memory about yung nangyari sa kanya. His brain was swollen. Yung sabi ng doctor, swollen yung brain niya. Ang sabi ng doctor, it will take 6 months daw para makarecover, to remember. Sabi ng doctor. Noon sa ICU, hindi alam nung mga doctors na pinapainom ka siya nung complete. Kasi ano siya nakita ko yung effect sa akin. So, binigyan ko siya. Remarkable yung recovery niya. Gumising siya. Tapos, nagulat din yung doctor niya sa recovery niya na parang biglaan. So, hindi na siya hindi na nag-operate. Yung doctor, hindi na kinailangan ng operation. Sabi ng doctor, maswerte siya. Saka nagulat din yung doctor na ganun kabilis yung recovery niya. Kasi nag-swell down yung swelling sa brain niya. He stayed there for 2 more weeks sa hospital niya. Pero during those 2 weeks na yon, nag-improve yung memory niya. Nakilala na niya ako, alam niya yung pangalan ko, alam niya yung pangalan ng mga anak namin, pati yung mother niya, alam niya yung pangalan. It started sa mga names. They can even text. Nakatext mo siya sa hospital, nagulat ka doon. Nakakatawag siya. Dati nung hindi niya manakabuas kung ano yung cellphone. Hindi niya alam kung ano tawag doon. Kasi I believe na kaya kahit 2 capsules eh. So kahit na basta regular lang, na continuous din yung intake niya noon, I believe na makaka-recover siya. Saka dati may complaints of headache. Pag medyo late na during the days, sumasakit yung ulo niya, masakit, saka malabo yung mata niya. Tapos yung C24/7 na yung tinitake niya after a month, January na yun, na-observe niya na hindi na sumasakit yung ulo niya. Tapos medyo hindi na ganun kalabo din yung mata niya. Hindi ako na-surprise na positive yung effect niya. Alam ko na ganun yung magiging effect sa kanya. Kasi na-prove ko na sa sarili ko na nakakatulong sa kanya yun. So, kumbaga, waiting na lang. Yung time na lang will tell. Yun na lang inaantay ko, yung time na dumating na makaka-recover siya, na mariregain niya yung memory niya. Ngayon, unti-unti, after nang nagtitake pa rin siya niyan, 3 times a day na, yung C24/7. Oh, I'm glad na mayroong product na C24/7 na food supplement na that can help us, especially my husband, to recover dun sa temporary na memory loss niya.
Doon ko lang naalaman na all the time, the reason why I had a very fast recovery, it was because of this product of AIM Global. And I knew for a fact, yes, okay, I should have died. That was given. I should have died. And I know the Lord gave me a second chance in life. The important thing is I'm back. I'm back with my life because of the Lord, and I have a strong life, a new life, very strong and very happy because of C24/7.
Praise God, for He gave us the breath of life, a gift precious for survival, so that we could enjoy and rejoice our existence. But when things fail us and illness occurs, how much expense would it pay for? Physically, emotionally, and so much financially. But God made a way. It was March 18, 2006, when Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated was established here in the Philippines. It also happened to be my 20th birthday. 7 months after, December that same year, I was diagnosed with an illness. I, who was just then so active and vibrant, there was not a sign that something worse could happen. The disease, though identified, it was rare. No common medical remedy yet known. This is where all of that cost comes in. Even if I haven't witnessed it myself because I was still unaware, I learned eventually that for an average family like us, we have experienced being physically exhausted, emotionally down, and financially drained. My mother sought for every possible cure. She tried every probable treatment. But for a situation like mine, only the product of AIM Global worked out. The rest of all the other synthetic medicines that we have tried before just wasted effort. Because my mom was anxious that I needed to get well soon, she did not hesitate to try this herbal medicine. The product, it was formerly alive, then complete, until the one that we know now as C24/7. And you know, that lives up to its name, complete 24 hours a day, 7 times a week. And if it's so said that God do send blessings in disguise, ours was open to us through the selfless individuals who help us until the end. To it, our deepest thanks to Tatay Edward Hagitorn and his family as well. He is an image of an extraordinary individual who nobly reached down and offered help to people in need with all he had unselfishly, without expecting anything in return. The San Juan family, the Janvi, the spirited youth in you is that same self that moves you to do good by helping others, and your way also to prove that this medicine you've trusted, so others will put their trust to it as well, was all worth it. To Tita Sheila, to all of us whose hearts been touched of her genuine generosity by sharing her blessings. To Dr. Fred and Tita Sheila, the kindness in you can be clearly shown in the family that you have brought up. We thank you for sharing you to us, for helping us to succeed and also to be healed. And to all those who have helped us during our worst and even until today, and assures us that they will still be there as much as they can. All of you, you are all a blessing. Nowadays, a lot of testimonies are already made known to enlighten us. As for me, I am doing my part. This is my way of saying to you all, I am here with you today, alive, all because we believed in the product. We tried it, and in the end, we proved it to ourselves. My friends, I want to share this all to you because I do have been healed. The last time, the doctor said that there is a possibility that I could remain inert for the rest of my life. But it proved them wrong. Through the power of a life, I regained strength. It did not happen all at once, but the process is slowly but surely. Little by little, the effectiveness is seen. Today, all is well. Given this opportunity, let us not think twice no more. We are confident and salute the capability of the doctors that invented this herbal medicine, and happy as well that it has been introduced here. It sure has helped a lot of sickness and will definitely be able to help more. Sabi nga nila, last January 10, 2011, ikaw na ang susunod. Remember that health is wealth. It is one of God's precious blessings to us. Once we've lost it, it is so hard to bring it back again. So we should take good care of it. Health is not simply the absence of sickness. It is the wholeness of our well-being.
Once again, this is yours truly, Ivy Pacaldo Temavibas, saying, do stay healthy everyone, inside and out. The journey will never end as long as there is a chance. We must grab it and keep on going. I wish you all prosperity, abundance, wellness, peace of mind, wealth, and freedom. Thank you. May God be with us all. Power.
Isa po ako sa napagaling ng Complete. Yun po yung product ng Alliance in Motion Global. Actually, ang kapatid ko po ang nagsimulang gumamit noon. Nabulag po siya for several months, almost 6 months. So, nung ma-introduce sa kanya yung Complete, nag-try siya, 2 boxes lang ang ininom niya. Nakakapagtaka, nakakita ulit siya. And then, after po noon, February last year, na-diagnose po ako na mayroon akong breast cyst sa dalawa. At the same time, meron din na-diagnose din po na meron akong scoliosis. Bedridden po ako ng 5 months. And then sabi ko, kung napagaling yung kapatid ko, bakit hindi ko itry? Nag-decide po ako na mag-take ng Complete kasi talagang sobrang hirap na. Pakiramdam ko mamamatay na ako kasi parang may nakadagan sa dibdib ko. Every time paghihiga ako, so tuwing matutulog ako, nakaupo lang ako. Nakasandal lang ako sa sofa. Hindi na ako makakain, nahihilo ako. Yung tuhod ko parang wala na, hindi ko kaya tumayo. Nang ma-diagnose po nila ako, sinabihan nila ako na magpa-opera para matanggal yung cyst. Takot po ako sa turok. So sabi ko, diretso ko. Uminom po ako ng 3 capsules every 4 hours. And then after 3 weeks po, sinubukan ko maglakad kasi nabawasan yung pain. So hinahapo ako that time. After 3 weeks po, naglakad ako, nakaabot ako ng 3 blocks away from home. Pagkaraan po, after 5 weeks, nagsimula akong magbike. And then hanggang sa kasalukuyan po, dire-diretso po akong umiinom. Wala na po totally yung aking cyst. Hindi ko po alam kung paano natunaw yun, pero nawala po lahat ng pain. So, yung middle bone ko po na sinabi ng doktor na namamaga noong February last year, na-prevent po yung paglala. So, lahat ng pain na naramdaman ko, kung mararamdaman nyo lang yung sakit, parang hinihiwa yung likod ko mula sa batok ko hanggang sa dulo sa ilalim. Para siyang hinihiwa. So, every time na huhugot ako ng paghinga ko, napakahirap para sa akin. So, nung mag-take ako ng Complete, lahat po nawala. So, hanggang sa ngayon, dire-diretso po, kaya lang ngayon magme-maintain na lang ako. Pag nawawala po yung Complete, parang nanghihina ako. So, hindi pwedeng mawala sa akin yun. Napaka-imposible na paniwalaan na ako nakabangon. Maraming hindi naniwala sa akin na ako'y gagaling pa. Salamat kay Lord na naging instrumento niya ang Alliance in Motion para makapagpagaling ng mga may sakit tulad ko.
In 2006, I was diagnosed with myoma, 3.5 cm in size. In 2007, I was informed by my doctor that I should be operated on because it might grow bigger. However, I was taking religiously Complete and other AIM Global products. The reason why I did not get operated on last 2007 was because I was afraid to be operated because I had 5 operations, 2 major and 3 minor operations. The family in 2010 decided that I be operated on. So I went to see my doctor friend surgeon, and I was advised that before I get operated on, I should get all the necessary laboratory tests, including ultrasound. So I had the ultrasound in Quezon Martires City,
last December 2010. And to my surprise, I found out that there is no more myoma in my uterus. With the AIM Global products, I was able to save on my operation, which is scheduled January 11, 2011. Through the products of AIM Global, I was able to find myself back to health and back to where I'm now happy and joyous. Ang aking asawa po ay isang seaman. Talagang nire-require po sila ng kanilang medical examination taon-taon. Lately na lang po na ni-require po sila na examination nila para sa Hepa B. At na-surprise po kami nang nalaman namin na reactive po pala sa kanya ang Hepa B. Nag-second opinion po kami sa ibang doktor and then sinabi na wala nang kagalingan ang Hepa B. Last November po, nagkaroon po ulit siya ng medical examination bago po siya umakyat ulit ng barko. And then sa amin pong pagtataka, bakit po kami pabalik-balik na pinababalik ng doktor at 3 beses po ulit siyang kinuna ng dugo. At nang tinanong namin po ang doktor kung bakit, sinabi po sa amin na non-reactive na yung kanyang Hepa B. Tinanong po kami ng doktor kung anong tinitake niya. At sinabi po namin na complete plus yung white light para po sa liver. And then lately po yung ating C24/7. Naniniwala po kami na sa produkto ng AIM Global ay walang imposible.